Hi, welcome to Intervals. Today we're going to talk about the Gantt chart. If you're new to Gantt charts, they're a visual representation that shows how a project is meant to unfold, and they're primarily a planning tool as opposed to a doing tool like our tasks in Intervals. We get a lot of questions about how to use a Gantt chart in Intervals, and there's several ways. You can use it for planning out a project to get a reasonable deadline, updating a client to get their sign off on a project, or to interact with the project and make a lot of changes quickly. The Gantt chart is accessible directly from the project profile page. You can click on filter options and arrow down to show only the desired tasks that you want to look at. And you can also access it from the reports subnav. You can zoom in if needed to get a closer look at dates when you're planning things out. And as we mentioned earlier, the Gantt chart is a great way for making a lot of changes to the project and its tasks really quick. You can drag the entire task to change its start and due dates. You can also drag the end of the task to extend the due date. When making edits from the Gantt chart, no notification emails are sent, so it's a nice way to plan or adjust a project by making a lot of changes without disrupting your team members with a lot of emails. The updates to the tasks, however, will be logged into the task actions, so you will be able to see your changes if needed. Another difference when making changes via the Gantt chart is with milestones. Unlike updating milestones elsewhere in Intervals, when changing them in the Gantt chart, the tasks associated are not updated. Finally, a few more tips for quickly editing within the Gantt chart. You can add a task or a milestone. Also, detailed changes to existing tasks and milestones can be made by double-clicking on an item or on a particular row on the left side of the chart. Hovering functionality is also available to quickly see the details of an item prior to editing. We hope you found this video helpful. Should you have any additional questions, please contact support@myintervals.com. Have a great day.